Most people grow up believing that aging is a slow collapse that the body wears out, breaks down, and never truly recovers. Once something goes wrong, they assume it's permanent. But there's a powerful biological reality most people are never told. Your body is not declining by default. It is repairing itself every single day. Right now, as you're watching this, damaged cells are being removed and replaced with new ones. Your skin renews itself monthly. Your gut lining rebuilds every few days. Your blood cells are refreshed within months. Even your bones are constantly regenerating. So when people feel more tired, inflamed, foggy, or weak year after year, it's usually not because the body stopped working. It's because the repair system no longer has what it needs to finish the job. Think of your body like a fully equipped repair shop. The workers are ready. The instructions are clear. The systems are active. But if the raw materials never arrive, nothing gets fixed. Today, you're going to learn about 3 surprisingly ordinary foods that research shows directly support your body's natural repair mechanisms. They're affordable, easy to find, backed by decades of science, and yet wildly underestimated. The first one may shock you because it was wrongly blamed for decades. Eggs. Often misunderstood, eggs are one of the most complete repair foods ever studied. In nutrition science, eggs are used as a benchmark. Other proteins are measured against them to see how effective they are. And there's a reason for that. Your body is built from protein. Muscles, organs, enzymes, hormones, immune cells all depend on it. Every day, worn-out proteins are broken down and replaced. As we age, this process slows if protein intake drops. Eggs provide all 9 essential amino acids in exact proportions your body can use efficiently, making them one of the highest quality proteins available. But the real magic is in the yolk, the part most people avoid. Removing it strips away more than half the nutrition. The yolk delivers critical vitamins for immunity, brain function, nerve signaling, and liver health, including one of the most overlooked nutrients today, choline. Choline is essential for memory, learning, brain cell structure, and fat metabolism in the liver. Most adults don't get enough, and egg yolks are one of the richest natural sources. Despite old fears, modern research shows eggs are not the heart enemy they were once made out to be. Your body regulates cholesterol intelligently because it needs it for hormones, cell membranes, and vitamin D production. Eggs don't block arteries, they provide tools your body uses to rebuild itself.
The second food doesn't just support repair, it controls how well repair happens. Greek yogurt and kefir. The key player here is your gut. Your gut isn't just for digestion. It's a command center for immunity, inflammation, nutrient absorption, and even brain signaling. More than 70% of your immune system lives there. When the gut is out of balance, people experience fatigue, brain fog, inflammation, and weakened immunity. Greek yogurt and kefir contain live beneficial bacteria that help strengthen the gut lining, improve nutrient absorption, and reduce inflammatory signals that slow repair throughout the body. Less inflammation means faster, more efficient healing. They also deliver high-quality protein that digests slowly, supporting muscle repair and long-term recovery. The catch? Sugar. Flavored yogurts often sabotage gut health. Plain, unsweetened versions are where the real benefits live. The third food looks simple, almost boring, but biologically, it plays a critical role. Bananas. They quietly support nerves, muscles, and energy balance. Bananas are one of the most accessible sources of potassium, a mineral essential for muscle contraction, nerve communication, heart rhythm, and fluid balance. Many adults are deficient without realizing it. Bananas also provide clean energy the body can use quickly, especially when paired with protein or fat to prevent crashes. On top of that, they contain prebiotic fiber that feeds beneficial gut bacteria, strengthening digestion and improving mineral absorption over time. They don't just fuel the body, they support the system that decides how well your body repairs itself. Here's the bigger picture. Eggs provide the building materials. Yogurt optimizes absorption and immune control. Bananas support nerve signaling, muscle function, and energy stability. Together, they create an environment where repair happens more efficiently, inflammation stays lower, digestion improves, and energy feels more stable. This isn't a trend. It's not hype. It's how the human body is designed to work. Your body isn't broken. It's intelligent. It's always trying to heal. But it can only work with what you give it. Food isn't just fuel, it's information. And when you consistently send the right signals, your body responds quietly, powerfully, and effectively. Simple foods, backed by science, real repair.